Hey everybody, Steve Kornbluth here from Safebridge Mortgages. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. I know it's been a long time since I've sent out a video, but yeah, some things were changing. Things were very fluid in terms of our private lending and our investors. But we still have been lending throughout COVID. We've just been a little bit pickier about the files we're taking on. So I just want to let you know about a file that we did fund during COVID crisis. We had a client out in the Hamilton region, and we funded a new second mortgage of about $185,000 that was used to finish some home renovations. Uh, and as well, because of COVID, we decided that we would hold back 12 months of interest payments, so the client did not have to make any mortgage payments at all. Because we were aware that his business had been impacted by COVID. So this made things a little bit easier. He got the money he needed to finish his renovations, and he got some funds to live off in the meantime. So we're still lending. I was just chatting with one of my other investment partners, and he was telling me that he's now comfortable going back up to 85% loan to value as well. So we just need to make sure that the borrowers have the ability to make payments. But happy to look at any deals you guys have out there. Give me a call, 905-290-0180. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.